What is Next.js? Features, advantages, why you have to use it and why not. My name is Mehmet and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're diving into Next.js, a powerful framework that makes building full-stack application with React a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of Next.js and even have your first app up and running. So let's get started. Next.js is an open source React framework developed by Vercel that provides a powerful set of tools and features to enhance the development of web applications. It is designed to make building both static and dynamic websites easier by offering server-side rendering, static site generation, and a variety of other features that streamline development and improve performance. The core philosophy behind Next.js is to offer a seamless development experience by combining the best aspects of React with additional functionality for building full-stack applications. Next.js abstracts many of the complexity involved in configuring a modern web application, allowing developers to focus on writing code and delivering features. This approach makes it suitable for both small projects and large-scale applications. The versatility and flexibility of Next.js make it a popular choice for a wide range of applications. Whether you're building a simple blog, an e-commerce site, or a complex web app, Next.js provides the tools and structure needed to develop efficiently and effectively. Its powerful features, combined with the flexibility of React, allow developers to create high-performance and scalable applications that deliver a great user experience. Next.js has a thriving community and a rich ecosystem of plugins and tools that extend its functionality. The framework is backed by Vercel, which provides a seamless development platform optimized for Next.js applications. Additionally, the extensive documentations, tutorials, and examples available make it easy for developers of all skill levels to get started and become productive quickly. Features of Next.js. File-based routing. File-based routing is a core feature of Next.js, streamlining the process of creating routes in your application. Instead of manually configuring routes, you simply create files and folders inside the page directory, and each file automatically corresponds to a route. For example, creating a file called about.js in the pages directory automatically generates an /about route. This intuitive approach reduces boilerplate code and makes the routing mechanism straightforward, saving time and reducing complexity. Server-side rendering and static site generation. Next.js provides a powerful rendering options to optimize the performance and SEO of your application. Server-side rendering generates HTML on each request, ensuring users receive the latest data. This is particularly useful for dynamic content that frequently changes. Static site generation, on the other hand, pre-renders pages at build time, offering a faster load times and improved scalability for content that doesn't change often. By leveraging get server-side probes and get static probes, developers can choose the best rendering strategy for each page based on the content's nature and the application requirements. API routes. Next.js make it easy to create backend endpoints alongside your frontend code. By adding files to the page/API directory, you can define API routes without setting up an external server. This is particularly useful for handling form submission, data fetching, and interacting with external APIs. Each file in pages/API directory maps to an endpoint, and you can use any Node.js code within these files to handle requests. This feature simplifies the architecture by allowing you to manage frontend and backend in a single repository. Built-in CSS and Sass support. Styling in Next.js is made simple with built-in support for CSS and Sass. You can import CSS files directly into your component, and Next.js will handle the rest, including automatic minification and bundling. Additionally, CSS modules are supported out of the box, allowing you to scope CSS to individual components. Advantages of Next.js. Performance. One of the standout advantages of Next.js is its emphasis on performance. By combining static site generation and server-side rendering, Next.js delivers fast, responsive applications. The framework's automatic static optimization ensures that pages not requiring server-side rendering are statically generated by default. This results in quicker load times and a smoother user experience. Additionally, Next.js includes numerous performance enhancements like code splitting and prefetching, which further contribute to building high-performance web applications. SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for web applications, and Next.js excels in this area. With server-side rendering and static site generation, Next.js ensures that your content is easily discoverable by search engines. Server-side rendering provides fully rendered HTML pages to search engine crawlers, improving indexing and ranking. Similarly, static site generation produces pre-rendered HTML files, which are equally SEO-friendly. This out-of-the-box support for SEO eliminates the need for complex configuration and help your site rank higher in search results. Developer experience. Next.js is designed with developers in mind, offering a smooth and efficient development process. Features like hot reloading allows you to see changes in real time without refreshing the page, which speeds up development and debugging. The file-based routing system simplifies the creation of new routes, while built-in CSS and Sass support makes styling straightforward. Additionally, Next.js has excellent documentation and a supportive community, making it easier for developers to find solutions and best practices. In my Next.js projects, personally I use Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework designed to enable rapid UI development. It provides a set of low-level utility classes that can be combined to build custom designs without having to write CSS from scratch. You can easily start by googling Next.js Tailwind and click on the first result, and here you see the process. Open your VS Code and click on New Terminal in Terminal menu. Then run commands step by step according to document. My project will be the name of project folder, and you can replace it with anything you want. Wait until installation gets done. This can take a while, depends on your internet connection speed. After this stage, continue to next steps until setups get completed. By executing this command, Next.js will start running on dev mode, and URL appears in here, which you can click on the link by pressing command button plus left click for Mac and Ctrl plus left click for Windows to see your first Next.js app on browser. In the next video, I want to create a fully functional CRUD Next.js app, so if you want to miss that video, don't subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.